Eh. Hello people of the world. I know this is like a bad lighting. I changed my bed frame as you guys can see. Mataas na siya, hindi na ako nasa floor. Anyway, welcome to this vlog. I know it's so weird for me to do an intro for a vlog. But hey friends, this is Gabby. And welcome to my slice of life vlog. Anyway, today is mom and dad's 30th wedding anniversary. So we're gonna surprise them with our little surprise na last minute namin pinlan, magkakapatid. So yeah.
Pwede nga pala ito baliktad.
Mic test. Hello. Hi guys. Welcome to this vlog. This is probably episode I don't know of Slice of Life. Welcome to my vlog. So, meron kami dumating na package from... Ay, kala mo talaga hindi binili. Sponsored by
jonaxx.
So, hindi chinik ni Ninya kung ito yung in-order naming libro. So, let's go. Let's go. Moment of truth kung ito po yun. Epic fail kapag hindi ito yun.
Chicken.
Sobrang kasama rin.
Kasi hindi ito, ninyo. Game. Game. Hindi na surprise. Here it is. Thank you po, Jonah, for this one. Welcome home. Ito yung kay, ano, di ba? Eh, uy. Huwag kang maingay, Mi. This is the CLS number 9 and 10.
Mag-start po kami sa
Castellana.
second gen.
Ito yung Castellana number 9. Most favorite story
Pinaka-nabully na
and pinaka-bias. Whispers of the Wind by Jonah. This one naman is the Castellana number 10 titled Love in the Dark. Ito favorite ni Ninya.
girl, wala talaga ang email. Chinek ko talaga lahat.
Baka na ano lang. Oh, ayun lang guys. It's been 18 minutes ng pag-film. We're so excited.
Ako nga wala na. Bulok na yung mga
Okay, so guys, see you when I see you. I don't know kung kailan ko i-upload to. Haha. Oh, namiss ko.
For bro.
Ganda yung lighting dito. Parang mas maganda.
Hi vlog. Centaurations. Good natin. Pwede po kayo. Mad. Sad and mad. Hindi. Hindi. Pakita mo kung gaano kang kabait. Yay!
No. It's not.
Ay, sa likod tayo.
Iyak ka diri. Bakit sa clothing mo pa pinagaan?
Bakit? Pwede naman ah.
7-Eleven tayo mag-ano.
Tambay.
Be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking? Yeah, and I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me some of that. Oh.
Very happy to welcome you all to the 2024 NCT Dream World Tour, the Dream Show 3 Dream Escape in Manila!
Tama na! Pumasok na John Labayas, uuwi, hedge. Di pa tapos.
This is our real last goodbye. Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you!
We did it! Dancing in the moonlight. Pag doon ako na LSS, hindi naman natin narinig yun. Bye! Bye po! See you! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Ingat po! Bye-bye! Hi friends! This is Gabby. So, kakatapos lang po ng The Dream Show Concert 3 ng NCT Dream Day 1. So, nagbabay na ako sa mga kasama ko kasi uwi na ako ng Bulacan. Grabe! Guys, nag-work pa ako. Imagine! Kanina galing pa akong work. Tapos, saktong-sakto ako dumating dito as in like 30 minutes na lang. So, ngayon ang challenge natin ay hanapin ang aking sasakyan. No, so I just wanna say, ang gwapo nilang lahat. Like, super gwapo nilang lahat. Actually, nag-enjoy ako. Parang gusto ko pang mag-day 2. Pero, wala lang time si ate girl. Feeling ko nakikita ko na ang aking sundo. Wala pala, joke lang. Hindi pala sila yun. Anyway, shout out pala sa aking mga nakasama. Shout out to my girls. Yep, it was a fun experience. Kahit na, guys, wala pa akong kalahati. Pagod na kami. Sigaw kami ng sigaw. And also, yung place kasi namin, parang sobrang chill lang siya. Kasi kami lang yung nandun. So, nakakatayo kami and everything. Nakaka-enjoy. Shoutout pala kay Daddy din. Thanks, Dad, for being an F1 driver kanina sa Skyway. Para makaabot ako here. Anyway, see you guys when I see you. Bye!
Call me when you're free and we can start our own party. So let's go live it up like it's 1999. she made